Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we are going to see exercise 1.5. In that, let us read the first question. Determine the following. In the first bit, log 5 base 25. Before solving this problem, here just I would like to narrate a small story. Okay, it's a small and short story. It has link with this problem. Okay, so let us see here. There is, for example, there is a person, we can call him as a dad and son. Two people are there, okay. One is dad and another one is son. So, here whenever, for example, you just imagine that dad has a cap with him, even son also has a small cap with him. So, if we happen to apply logarithm for both, you just visualize, okay. So, immediately dad, he will throw his cap. So, here what will happen? Imagine that here is a table. So, here log, this cap will be coming and falling here. So, here dad is there without cap. Immediately son, he follows his dad, he too will throw his cap, but it will be falling below the table. So, here son is alone, right. See, observe this one. Same way, if we write the formula, log, in place of dad I am taking a, in place of cap I am taking power m. Here son I am taking as b, in place of cap I am taking n, because here it is a bigger cap, it is the smaller cap. So, here I changed both of them. So, here dad cap will be coming here. So, it is m and this is the table, and here son's cap will be coming and falling down the table. So, it is m by n. Log, here dad is alone. So, a is alone and son is also alone. So, b is also alone. So, here for this problem we are going to connect this problem to this formula. Let us see how will it be connected. It is 5, it is 25. We can write 25 as 5 square, right. So, let us write log this 5, I am writing as it is, this 25 I am writing as 5 square. Here 5 can be written as 5 power 1. So, here dad cap, son cap. So, here what will happen? This cap comes forward. So, it will become 1, this cap comes forward, by this cap also comes forward. So, it is 1 by 2. Now, the leftover values are log dad means 5, son 5, right. And in logarithm one more case is also there. Here dad value different, son value different, but here both are equal. When both are equal, it is 1. So, we can write it as when it is log a, and here we should not take base b. Why? Because here both are same. So, I am taking log a base a is 1. So, based on this formula, we can write this value as 1. So, it is 1 by 2 into 1 is finally 1 by 2. So, here let us do a small thing. Now, here we will forget about this story and let us connect this problem with a formula like this. Since log a power m base b power n is equal to m by n times log a base b, that is the formula is applied here, and here log a base a is equal to that is applied here. So, finally, log 5 base 25 is equal to 1 by 2 is the final answer. Now, let us see next bit, that is log 3 base 81. So, here this 81, let us consider 81 here and let us factorize it. 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So, 81 can be written as 1 2 3 4. So, 3 power 4. So, here I rewrite this question as log 3 as it is, 81 I am writing as 3 power 4, because 81 is 3 power 4. So here again you see it is nothing is there, means 1. Here this is 4. Now again we have the formula, that is log a power m base, we can take here b power n, or here as both are equal we can take a power n. See here how I am comparing the formula. Here 3 and 3 both are equal, that is I am taking same alphabet, whereas here 1 and 4 are different. Here I have changed m and n. So as I have told you already, just imagine that this as a cap, that cap will be coming forward. So here m by this is also a cap, so this also will be coming forward, it is m by n. So log, here a is alone and here a is also alone, right. So let us apply the formula here. So let us throw this one, so it will be 1 by 4 log, here 3 is alone, log 3 base 3. So already you know log a base a value is always 1. I have told you here log a base a always it is 1 when both the values are equal, that value is 1. So let us write here 1 by 4 into 1. So finally it is 1 by 4. Now let us say next bit, log 1 by 16 base 2. So here it is log 1 by 16. Let us take this 16 and factorize the 2. Here 2 is there, so better we can write with 2 only. So 2 8 jar 16, 2 4 jar 8, so 2 2 jar 4. So here we can write 16 as 16 is equal to 2 power 4. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So let us come back to the problem here. It is log 1 by 16 as 2 power 4, here base is 2. So it can be written as log 1 by 2 power 4, when we bring it up the exponent become negative, it is 2 power minus 4 base 2. So here we can write this as 1. Let us take the formula again here. This is the father's cap, as I have explained in the earlier video. This you take as son's cap. So here what will happen, this minus 4 comes forward by this 1 also comes forward. Here it is log 2 base 2. Here for your information, here I am writing the formula also. We can write it as log, see a, 2 is a, here also 2 is a. Now here these two are different, I am taking different alphabets m and n. So as I have told you, m and n they come forward, it will become m by n times log a base a. So let us write here it is log 2 base 2. Now in the next step, 4 by 1 into log 2 base 2. Here log 2 base 2, when both the values are same, that value is 1. So it is into 1. You can here cancel 1 and 1, no problem. So it is minus 4 is the final answer. Now let us see next bit, that is log 1 base 7. Here we need to use our logical thinking, children. Here 1 power, can 1 power anything be 7? 1 power 1, 1 power 2, 1 power 3, 1 power anything, it cannot be 7. Then you just think in reverse, 7 power anything can become 1? Sure, 7 power 0 is 1. So let us write this one as 7 power 0, the simple logic, okay, that is required to solve the problem somehow much more faster. So let us write this one as log 1 can be written as 7 power 0, base already 7 is given, we can write 7 as 7 power 1. Now here let us here round up the powers. So here you can see here 0, it will come forward, that is 0 upon means 0 by, here 1 will come, it is log 7 base 7. Here the formula what I applied is log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. So here 0 by anything is 0 into log 7 base 7. So I have already told you log a base a is always 1. So log 7 base 7 is also 1, 0 into 1 is 0. So 0 is the final answer. Now let us see next bit, that is fifth one, log root x base x. So here we can write root x as x power 1 by 2. Here let us write x as it is, x can be written as x power 1. Now here let us round up the powers, this is 1 by 2, this is 1. So here this 1 by 2 comes forward, it is 1 by 2 by 1 log, here 1 by 2 it came forward, so here x is alone, here 1 is not there, it came forward, so here x is alone. So here the formula applied is log a power m base a power n is equal to m by n times log a base a. Here I continue same, is equal to m by n times log a base a is 1. So we can write it as m by n, children. So in that way also we can close the problem. So here this is m by n into log x base x, this is already 1. So this one get cancelled. So final answer is 1 by 2. Let us see next bit, log 512 base 2. So let us take here 512 and let us write it in the power of 2. So here what should we do? We should divide with 2. 2 times 256 is 512. 2 times 128 is 256. 2 times 64. It is 2 times 32. It is 2 times 16. Right. It is 2 times 8. It is 2 times 4. It is 2 times 2. So here let us count how many are there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 512 can be written as 2 power 9. Right. So let us write in place of 512, let us write 2 power 9. So this is log 2 power 9 base 2 means 2 power 1. Let us here consider these powers, this is 9, this is 1. So here already we have told you one formula, that is log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. Again this is m by n times, this is 1. So we need not to write it, because m by n into 1 is m by n only. Based on this formula, here we can write 9 by 1, because log 2 base 2 is 1, we can omit it. So 9 by 1 into 1, cancel 1 and 1, so final answer is 9. Now let us see next bit, that is 7th one, log 0.01 base 10. Here you see, let us take this 0.01, children, 0.01. It can be written as 1 by, simple way I will say, you just write in reverse order, it is 100. So 1 by 100. Is it clear? If you simplify this, you will get that value only. So here it is 1 by, again 100 can be written as, here you just keep concentration, 10 is there. So we can write this one as 10 square. So it can be written as 10 power minus 2. When this it comes up, the exponent will be negative. So let us write this value here. So it is log 10 power minus 2 base 10 power nothing, means 1 is there. So here let us take values of these powers. So those powers come forward. Before that we should write a formula, right? So let us write the formula as log a power m base a power n can be written as m by n times log a base a. So that is nothing but m by n, because it is 1. So here directly I am writing, children, answer, it is minus 2 by 1, because log 10 base 10 is 1, we need not to write it. So minus 2 by 1, nothing but minus 2. So here minus 2 is the answer. Now let us see next bit, that is 8th bit, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. See here, if you observe, here 2, 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube, right? 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So here, without wasting much time, let us write it directly. See, I am writing 8 as 2 cube, it is 2 cube, by 27 as 3 cube. Here base 2 by 3, I write as it is. Is it clear? Now log, whenever the powers or exponents are same, we can write in a single bracket, children. So here 2 power 3 by 3 power 3 can be written as 2 by 3 whole power 3, right? Base, let us maintain the same 2 by 3. So here nothing is there in the power, means 1 is there. Now let us round up the powers. It is 3, it is 1, right? See, these two are same, that's why I am rounding up the powers. And here this power 3, it comes forward, here 1 also comes forward. So before that we should add the formula. Let us write log a power m base a power n is equal to m by n times it is log a base a. So already you know this value is 1, so it can be written as m by n also. Based on this formula, let us write this answer. Here you see this 3 comes forward, here 1 also comes forward. So this answer is 3 by 1, 3 by 1, nothing but 3. So finally this answer is 3. Now let us see next bit, 9th bit. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. See children, here it looks complicated, but this is a very easy problem children. So let us see here. First, here a power m plus n. So here I write the formula here children. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n, right? So here same logic let us apply for this. So let us take it as a power m plus n. Here this full is n. So here I am writing this as a power, a means 2, power m means first one, that is 2, into, so dot also acting as into only. So here a means again 2, power n means log 3 base 2, right? So here we can write 2 square directly as 4. Now let us see what about this. Let us see what about this now. See here there is another formula children, that one here. See, these two numbers are equal, these two numbers are equal. So I am taking this number and this number, both are equal. Hope you are understanding. These two are equal, so I am taking these two with, I am replacing both the numbers with same alphabet since they are same. Here this is different, so I am taking this one as some other different alphabet m. Then what happens, you know, this m will be the final answer. That means here a power log m base a is always m. So here if you observe, this 2 and this 2 both are equal, we can remove the logarithm and we can write 3 directly. So here based on this formula, so answer 4 3s are 12.